Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what we do over here. Here we talk about how to make money online, how to start your own company online, and a lot. So these past weeks, we have been talking about Neptune Network, and yesterday I did a withdrawal, and some people were telling me to show them the proof. So I showed it to people who were ready for business, who were ready to do the rebounding and everything. Yeah. So today, to four people have done their withdrawal, and these people have done, let's say, a course. They are doing a course about how you can do rebounding. Yeah. And I was like, yo, they are doing cool. So I have to also promote it. Yeah, so I will leave the link of the course. It's just $10. I think it's $10 or $11. Yeah. So they'll teach you how you can rebound your Neptune network and everything. I'll also teach you some. I'm also in the group some. Yeah, so in that group, we'll be teaching all of you how you can do your rebounding. Because if you chat me, that one I was charging $30, but right now, for people to also come on board, we say okay, then let's do it $10. So what you have to know before you do your rebounding, yeah, so they will teach you how you can do your rebounding for as low as, let's say, 160 Ghana cities. If you're in Ghana, if you're in the outside, that's I think $10, and you'll be able to withdraw your money. Yeah, and in the group too, if you join, they will also show you proofs. The proofs will be there, like the withdrawal. If you make a withdrawal, you have to post it in the group, because the reason why we don't show the proof is that right now, after doing the rebounding, you don't send the money to. I'm talking too much. Yeah. So let's get back to business. So what you need before you can withdraw your money? Before you can withdraw your money on NT, that's Neptune Network. Yeah. So there are two or three things that you need to know before you can withdraw your money on Neptune Network, and that's what I'm about to teach it over here. Yeah, but I'll not go into details. Yeah, if you want detail, I have the link in the description. Join the group, and the group, they will teach you everything. Yeah, they will take you to the rebounding masterclass, and you'll know everything. Yeah. So that's it. That's like, if you followed my teachings last week, that one I was trying to tell you or teach you for free, but you told me that I'm lying. They will not open it. They will not do this. They will not do that. Yeah. So the first one, as I've already told you, that before you can withdraw your money, you need to have release pens. Yeah, you need to have release coins, and this release coins, it's not everybody who's on Neptune Network have release coins. So to have this release coins, you have to join the deferred trade, or getting node rewards. Or getting not reverse. Yeah, so if you want to get the release coins, you can only get it from deferred trade or not reverse. Yeah, that's where you can get the release coins. Like the money in your account that you can see $2,000 is not actual money. Your actual money is the release coins. That's you can convert it to either USDT or TRX. You see that thing? Yeah. And the second point is, before you can withdraw your money on Neptune Network, the NT coin, you have to what? Exchange it. So you have to exchange the NT coin to, let's say, USDT or TRX. You see that thing? Before you can actually say that, okay, I want to withdraw my money, you have to what? Change the NT coin to the USDT chunk. Yeah. So after doing all these things, finish. Then the third one, you have to do rebounding. You have to do rebounding for the Google Authenticator and the rebounding for the NT platform. So rebounding. Yeah. So you have to do the rebounding for Google Authenticator and the rebounding for the NT platform. Yeah. So one of the major things that you can really do to withdraw your money is the rebounding. That's the major thing, because if you do the rebounding, let's say the TRC20 address that used to send you money from the NT coin to your wallet will change. It will change, and your Google Authenticator code will also change. You see that thing? Will also change. So it's very, very, very necessary for you to do your rebounding, or you will not get your money. And after doing the rebounding, let me tell you the truth. When you're withdrawing, let's say $8,000 from the NT network, they don't send all the 8,000. They don't send on the 8,000. I made a withdrawal of $8,000 and they sent me $3,000 plus. But I was so happy because it's better than none. So if you are having, let's say, $10,000 and you think that after doing the rebounding and they will send you all this money, yo bro, I will not lie to you. You will not get all the money. You get, let's say, $4,000. That's the true fact, and it's better than none. You see, it's better than none. At least you have something. You see, at least you have something. So it's better than none. Yeah. And the fourth point is that if you are using iOS, please switch it to Android. The iOS, the rebounding is very, very difficult. So switch it to Android. Yeah. If you join the class, we'll show you how you can do the rebounding. And the rebounding to it's only possible on Android phones, not on iOS. Android phones, not on iOS. So if you are using iOS, I will advise you to get Android phone to do your rebounding and withdraw your money. After that, you can go to the iOS or the iPhone. Yeah. So these are the things you need. You need before withdrawing money from the NT platform. And I'm not sure that if you don't have release coins, you will not think of, let's say, withdrawing your money, because only the release coins are possible for us withdrawing. And you can't withdraw the NT coin straight to your wallet unless you convert it to USDT or the TRX. And after all this, you have to rebound your Google Authenticator and rebound the NT platform to change the smart chain and to change their TRC code and everything. Yeah, and if the rebound can be effective on your platform, unless you switch to Android. So if you have Android, that one is cool. But if you are having iPhone on iOS, that one you have to switch it to Android so that it will make the transaction very smoothly and very cool and nice. Yeah. So these are the things that you need, and all these things. So we will go deep in our masterclass to show you how you can do the rebounding, because the rebounding is not easy. It's not easy. So we'll show you how you can do the rebounding and everything. If you click on the link in the description, buy your ticket, and after buying the ticket, it will direct you to the Telegram group that you can share your thoughts, everything, and people always share their withdrawal proof over there, so that it will also motivate you that you can also withdraw your money. Just simple as that. So I will leave the ticket link in the description and in the comment section so that you can join and also be able to do the rebounding and withdraw your money. And let me tell you these things. I said if you have 10k, that's $10,000, you will not get all of these things. You get, let's say, 4.5k, or let's say 5 or 6k. You will not get all the 10,000, and it's cool than not getting anything. It's very cool than not getting anything. Yeah. So because it's not only me. All the people who did their withdrawals are complaining about these things, and I think getting one is better than getting zero. You see, yeah. So this is the update for today, and I know after this you participate in the master rebounding Neptune Network rebounding masterclass, and you withdraw your money. But disclaimer, I said you will not get all your money. So don't come and say like blah 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 blah. And then, bro, you promised us that. That's what I'm saying, brother. After doing the rebounding, if you're having $50,000, you will get, let's say, $25,000 or $20,000. That's it. So if you're cool, you can join the Neptune Network Rebounding Masterclass, and you learn how you can rebound it, and you do it. If you do it and it's not working, you contact all the admins. They will help you out and they'll solve your problem for you. And people also share their withdrawal proofs over there for it to motivate you as well. So it's better for you to join, and let's all cash out together. That's it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.